Hi guys, it's Weeded, and I've got a few more. As you can tell, I'm not firing anywhere near a full kiln load, but just a few. These were made, I thought I had one more, but I guess not. These were made with, ordinary plain art glass, and this is just yellow, red, and orange, and this is sort of a turquoise, aqua, and then a blue. So those were relatively simple. The rest of these have dichroic in them, except, well, these three don't, but they're still super glittery and sparkly. So it was the blue venturine capped with, it's streaky blue venturine capped with clear. So there's that one. This one's kind of interesting, and I don't remember. It was streaky blue aventurine with clear, another one. And then I took the blue aventurine that was streaky and put a turquoise back on it, and I love that. So it's nice and sparkly. And then these four, five, counting is way above my math skills. Oh, and this one's got an odd little piece of foil or something. This is dichroic. It's purple and turquoise, so it's purple on turquoise clear glass, and I really like that one. This is sort of the odd man out. I took just 3 different pieces of dichroic and made sure that they had black. They were dichroic on thin black, and put white underneath it, and that's just a little bit of frit in there. So yeah, that's what we got. And then these are softer. This I had a soft white and streaky glass for the base, and I put some dichroic on top of it, so it's all sparkly and pretty. And same thing, this was a soft blue and white base with that little square of dichroic, and then this is just a nice white pendant with a little bit of dichroic in the middle, and that's not really a little bit of it. But there you have it. I will go glue bales on these and then turn them into necklaces, but I wanted to share my latest fusings. So thank you guys. Bye.